Hey everyone! We'll wow you with this $40 million Palm Jumeirah house. Picture yourself relaxing by the 30-meter infinity pool with amazing sea views or storing your luxury automobiles in the unique underwater garage. Discover what makes this dream mansion so lavish and distinctive. Not believing your eyes. If you're loving the incredible content, make sure to show your support by sharing, liking, and subscribing to the channel for more exciting adventures. Let's discuss this astonishing $40 million Dubai mansion's most unusual features. This beautiful, high-tech building has a button to enter, making it feel like a hidden refuge. It's astounding. As soon as you enter, you'll notice the outstanding unique design and furniture. To give this house a unique style and feel, everything was carefully picked and created. The marble kitchen island and dining room table that appears like a jigsaw put you in a special place. What's more, you'll feel regal with the house's lavish facilities. A spacious great room, a magnificent parlor with floor-to-ceiling windows, and a private zen garden in the master bathroom are all included. You'll live in luxury. Imagine relaxing in a gorgeous tub in your master bathroom that overlooks the corridor. The walk-in closet is equally magnificent, with a mirror that opens like a Louis Vuitton book. Talk about chic! However, the entertainment part of this estate is amazing. This level is all about having fun with friends and family. A full kitchen and bar, lounge seats, and giant doors open to stunning sea views. Throw amazing parties or relax and enjoy life. Not to mention the show-stopping underwater garage. This submerged garage holds 14 expensive automobiles and is an engineering feat. You may display your collection in style near the water. This property is a dream with its luxurious features and style. Living here is like living in paradise every day. Who wants to move in? After featuring some of the outstanding qualities within this $40 million estate, let's step outdoors and enjoy the breathtaking scenery that makes it even more extraordinary. Stepping onto the large patio is heavenly. This home on Palm Jumeirah has stunning views of the sparkling ocean and Atlantis Hotel. This view every morning will make you feel like you're on vacation 24/7. The stunning 30-meter infinity pool makes this house stand out. This massive pool appears to fade into the ocean. It's excellent for swimming laps, relaxing in the sun, or enjoying the breathtaking view with a drink. Who could blame you for spending all your leisure time at the pool? Walk around the outside space and you'll note how well the planting and design were planned. The lush foliage and palm trees provide the home solitude and quiet. The outside entertainment area has a full kitchen, bar, and comfortable lounge seats to enjoy the Dubai weather with friends and family. Open the massive floor-to-ceiling doors to allow the sea air into your indoor entertainment zone in the cooler months. Making the most of the gorgeous environment and vistas is the greatest way to live inside and out. Unique features and stunning vistas make this estate stand out. You'll never want to leave this sanctuary. Whether you're admiring your fancy automobiles in the underground garage or relaxing by the infinity pool, it's a fantasy lifestyle, not simply a mansion. Who wants to explore this wonderful realm of beauty and luxury? One of the greatest things about this $40 million estate is its underwater garage, which holds a staggering amount of automobiles. High-end automobiles will make any car lover's heart race in the garage. Some of the rarest and most desirable automobiles are in the $24 million collection. Imagine choosing a car to drive in your underwater garage. Will it be a sleek Ferrari, strong McLaren GT, or graceful Mercedes? The Bugatti Supersport 300 Plus, the collection's most valued automobile, is also noteworthy. This fantastic automobile is one of 30 ever produced and can reach over 500 kilometers per hour. Unique and speedy. But it's not just vehicles. Engineering and design are impressive in the underwater garage. This Palm First space required builders to delve under the sea. Amazing waterproofing was used to build the $4 million garage. While your neighbors park their expensive automobiles on the street, you'll have a private, safe, and distinctive spot to store yours. It's like having a car lot under your house. This mansion's rare automobile collection and underwater storage will wow even the most discerning car collector. Every drive will be an experience with this wonderful collection, and everyone on the Palm will be green with envy. After seeing the crazy vehicle collection and underwater garage, let's continue with this $40 million home. I guarantee you'll enjoy what you see. The enormous living room with its magnificent 7-meter high ceiling makes the area feel open and airy as soon as we walk in. Custom furnishings and onyx-lit walls show that this unique residence was built with no expenditure. We'll locate the trendy kitchen with its marble island and high-end appliances as we glance about. Even the sink is marble, demonstrating attention to detail. The cooking happens in a dirty kitchen outside the kitchen. It keeps the main kitchen neat. Let's go upstairs to the stunning master bedroom. With its private terrace and floor-to-ceiling windows, your bed offers stunning sea and Palm Jumeirah views. Ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet are wonderful. The bathroom contains a Zen garden, a glass window, and a Louis Vuitton book-shaped mirror. Not just that, this home contains 4 more bedrooms with walk-in closets and bathrooms, so guests will always feel comfortable. Last but not least, the entertainment level is ready for spectacular parties and gatherings. The indoor or outdoor arrangement flows seamlessly from the interior to the magnificent patio. There is a full kitchen, bar, lounge seats, and a stunning sea view. This is the best spot for memorable parties. So there you have it. From its elite automobile collection to its luxury living areas and stunning vistas, this $40 million estate has it all. This property is rich and sophisticated throughout, making it a proud residence. What characteristic of this $40 million house would you want in your ideal home and why? Share your thoughts and reflections in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to join us on more thrilling journeys of discovery. Until next time, keep exploring and embracing the spirit of curiosity that binds us all.